Okay, with grouping symbols and removal, we work from the inside out. So we're going to do parentheses first right here. This is the inmost one, the 6 minus 8. That's going to be negative 2. And I'm going to keep it in closing parentheses because like I've said before, and I'll say again, whenever I have a negative number, I'm going to keep that in closing parentheses just so I can be mindful of the sign of it. Because negative 2 cubed is going to be negative 8. And then that's still, because I'm still in the, actually not the parentheses, because you might say, hey man, why don't you do this part? Because this is in closing parentheses. But yes, we have an exponent first here. It's kind of a funky thing. So we do parentheses here, because that's in most parentheses. But then we have to exponentialize, raise to a power, before we can work on the other parenthetical expression, of which it's going to be negative 8 plus 4. So bear with me. This is just, man, I didn't make the rules. I'm just showing you how to follow them so you don't get hurt. I got negative 8 plus 4. That's going to be negative 4. I'm going to close that parentheses still because we have a 7 outside. 7 right next to it's going to be implied multiplication. 7 times negative 4 minus 6. And then we're going to work here. 7 times negative 4 is going to be negative 28. And then minus 6. That's going to be negative 28 minus 6 comes out to be negative 34. So look, I know in PEMDAS, you're like, hey man, why didn't you just do all the parentheses like I have here in this black line thing? You do parentheses, but even within this parentheses, you still follow PEMDAS within the parentheses. So that would be exponents before this, because you can't just say, I'm going to do negative 2 cubed plus 4 in one step. You can. A lot of younger guys will do that, and a lot of them will get the answers wrong and be surprised and think the teacher sucks or something. But in reality, you're not paying attention to the details, man. Go slowly, my young friend. Go slowly, carefully, and you'll make fewer mistakes.